السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today inshallah we will study together lesson 2 at unit 1. This lesson is talking about the seeing colored objects. Seeing colored objects رؤية الأجسام الملونة. At this lesson we will learn together why we see the colored objects by its own colors. First we will talk about the transparent and semi-transparent or translucent objects. Type. I will give you one example to learn together. What about it? If I have blue glass bottle, this bottle is a transparent bottle. Okay, when the white light falls on its surface, we learn at lesson 1 that the white light consists of 7 colors. That's called 7 spectrum colors. And you know them. هما مين بقى؟ Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and go violet. Okay, when the white light falls on the blue glass bottle, the red color falls on its surface. This is the different color, so it will absorb it. When the orange falls on it, it's also different, so it will absorb it, and so on. It will absorb all different colors. When the blue color falls on its surface, this is the similar color, so it allows to pass through. What about the violet and indigo? It will absorb it also because they are different in color. When the blue color falls on its surface, it allows it to pass through it to reach our eyes, so I will see this bottle in the blue color. يبقى transparent or semi-transparent object تعمل إيه بقى؟ It absorbs all light colors that fall on it and permit or allow its own color only to pass through. طب هي اللي بتعمل permit colors to pass through because it transparent or semi-transparent object. يبقى transparent or semi-transparent absorb all light colors and allows its own color only to pass through. طب هنتنقل بعد كده opaque object. opaque object عندي there are 3 types of opaque object. White opaque object, black opaque object, and the third one is the colored opaque object. طيب هنعمل studying مع بعض الواحد منهم. First we will talk about the white opaque object and we will learn together what happened with this. When the white light falls on a white paper, the white paper will reflect all light colors. It will reflect the 7 spectrum colors. It doesn't absorb any color. So the all light colors will reflect from the paper to reach our eyes. When we mixing the 7 colors together, it will form a white light. So our eyes see this paper in a white. Then the white opaque object تعمل إيه بقى؟ It will reflect all light color that fall on it. It will reflect all light colors that fall on it. طيب what about the black object? Black object تعمل إيه بقى؟ It will absorb all light colors that fall on its surface. كل الcolor lights that fall on it, it will absorb it. It doesn't reflect any color. So our eyes, there is no color that reaches it. So this body will appears black. It will appears black. يبقى البلاك object تعمل إيه؟ It absorbs all light colors that fall on it. طيب بعد كده هتنقل لي colored opaque objects. عندي example زي مثلا object قدامي ده يعتبر red opaque object. When the white light fall on it, the red color, this is the first color that fall on it. This is the similar color, so it will reflect it. طيب orange different, so it will absorb. Yellow different, absorb, and so on. So it will absorb all light colors except its own color only. It will reflect it. When it reaches our eyes sees this object in a red color. So the colored opaque object absorbs all light colors that fall on it and reflects its own color only. طيب يبقى هنعمل كده مراجعة سريعة كده على اللي أخدناه، وأشوف عندي هنا الترانسبيرنت والسيمي ترانسبيرنت تعمل إيه؟ It absorb all light colors and allow its own color only to pass through. طيب بالنسبة للوايت opaque it will reflects all light colors that fall on it. طيب البلاك opaque it will absorb all light colors that fall on it. طيب colored opaque object it absorb all light colors and reflects its own color only. طيب دلوقتي هناخد مع بعض how we can see the colored opaque object through the colored transparent object. طيب يعني ايه الكلام ده؟ يعني انا ازاي هشوف الاوبيك object ديت بس من خلال transparent object. طب example number 1 I have a green turtle and this is green glass sheet. The turtle is opaque, the glass sheet is a transparent. طيب when the white light fall on a turtle it will absorb all light colors and reflect its own color only اللي هو مين؟ الجرين color. When the green color reaches the green glass sheet it is a similar color, is the same color, so it will allow it to pass through. So it will reaches our eyes will see the turtle in a green color. طيب if I replace this green glass sheet by another one red in color, the same. The turtle absorb all light colors and reflect the green color only. When the green color reaches the red glass sheet, they are different in color. So the red glass sheet don't allow the green color to pass through it. It will absorb it because they are different. So our eyes, there is no color which reaches it, so the turtle appears or seems black. يبقى when the object and the transparent one they are similar it will appear in the same color, but when they are different I will see the object in the black color. طيب هتنقل بعد كده الميكسينج ده colored light. I have two types of the colored light اللي هما primary colored light and secondary colored light. مين هما primary colored light? They are colored light which are impossible to be produced by mixing two of the other colors. يبقى هما impossible or cannot be produced by mixing any two colors اللي هما مين؟ red, green and blue. يبقى red والgreen والblue they are colored light مستحيل اني احصل عليهم بميكسنج لاي اتنين كلر تانيين. زي ما بقول هما كده بالنسبه لنا permanent او الوان اساسيه. طيب لما اعمل ميكسنج بقى التو من البرايمري colors together it will form secondary colored light. يبقى انا عندي secondary colored light they are colored light that produced by mixing two of the primary colored light اللي هما مين؟ red والorange والgreen. طب السكندري colored light عندي مين؟ yellow magenta cyan. طب تعالوا نشوف كده مع بعض بقى لما اعمل ميكسنج لمين؟ لما اعمل ميكسنج ما بين الريد كلر مع البلو كلر، ريد برايمري بلو برايمري، يبقى انا هعمل ميكسنج الاثنين من البرايمري كلر مع بعض. it will produce magenta is a secondary colored light. طيب تعالى ناخد example تاني. mixing red with green. red primary, green primary, mixing two primary, reducing secondary. reducing secondary اللي هو مين؟ اليلو. طيب mixing green and blue, both of them are primary colors. When we mixing them, it will give me the cyan. This is the secondary colored light. طب when we mixing the three primary colors together اللي هم مين بقى؟ mixing red مع الجرين مع البلو, it will form the white light. it will form the white light. يبقى mixing the three primary colors in white together, it will form the white or produce the white light. okay. طب خلينا نتنقل بقى لسام exercise كده على الايه الجزء اللي اخدناه. put true or false. The glass prism, number 1. The glass prism separates the white light into 10 spectrum colors. No, 7 spectrum colors. Very good. When you mix the 7 light colors together, you will obtain the red colors. لما أعمل mixing لل 7 colors مع بعض, give me the red? No. Right, very good. The transparent object have the same color of the light that transmit or pass through it. Excellent, very good, true. When the white light strikes or fall on red rose, الوايت لايت هيعمل falling على red rose يعني وردة لونها أحمر. It will reflect the white light. احنا بنشوفها باللون الريد, يبقى أكيد هي عاملة reflect للريد color. يبقى هي تعمل reflect الوايت؟ لا طبعا, يبقى أنا هشوفها بالإيه؟ بالريد, يبقى هي عاملة reflecting للريد color. يبقى ده طبعا بالنسبة لي false. طب we see the colored transparent body with the same color. أنا بشوف الترانسبيرنت اللون بتاعها because it reflects all the light colors. هي بتعمل reflect لكل الcolors, هي transparent. أكيد طبعا هي بتعمل absorb all light colors and allow its own color only to pass through it. يبقى دي بالنسبة لي false. An object seems white. الأوبجكت أشوفه باللون الوايت because it reflects all light colors. الوايت بيعمل reflect لكل colors. Excellent, true. طيب write the scientific term. The object that absorb all light colors. Objects absorb all light colors and permits or allow its own color only to pass through. يبقى ده بالنسبة لي مين؟ Transparent. Very good, transparent colored object. The 7 colors of light which sunlight is made up of. مين هما 7 colors اللايت بتاعتي أو sunlight formed of it? Excellent, 7 spectrum colors. The light that impossible to be produced by mixing two of the other colors. Impossible, مستحيل أحصل عليهم من أي colors تانيين. يبقى ده بالنسبة لي primary colored light. Very good. Number 4. The light that we can get by mixing two of the primary colored light. يبقى بعمل mixing two primary, يبقى ده بالنسبة لي مين؟ secondary colored light. Okay. The last question, give reason for. We must wear white clothes in summer season. ليه بنلبس لازم نرتدي الوايت clothes في السمر في الصيف؟ يلا هنقول الوايت بتعمل ايه؟ Because it reflects all sunlight colors that fall on it. Very good. يبقى الوايت colors بتعمل ايه؟ Because it reflects all the light colors that fall. طب والوايت colors بتنزل عندنا اللي هي مين بقى؟ السانلايت. يبقى احنا في السمر كل السانلايت اللي هتنزل علينا هيعمل لها ايه؟ reflect. Very good. طيب number 2. we see the white paper as it. ليه بشوف الوايت paper باللون بتاعها؟ because it الوايت بيعمل ايه؟ reflects all light color that fall on it. تمام. number 3. red, green and blue are called primary colored light. ليه بسميهم primary؟ because they are colored light that cannot be produced by mixing any two colors. كده خلصنا الليسون بتاعنا وخدنا exercise عليه. اشوفكم ان شاء الله في ليسون 3 والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.